We are back over here. Here's my little pad that I built the other day, but now I'm getting ready to start cutting this one down. I think I got to cut the back corner out 18 inches. So we'll kind of notch that corner out and then bring a little bit over to this other side. Get that. We're going to do a little differently today. I got the excavator loaded up, so I'm going to scratch everything out and probably just take the blade or just kind of throw it around to the front. I think that'll be a little easier on everything. And see if I can get this one benched in. Already getting the footing on that one, which I'm sure it'll probably get inspected here today, maybe pour tomorrow, so then they'll work on this one. But yeah, that's where we're at now. So we're gonna get in the excavator and start scratching it out. Well, this 20% chance of rain, they were dead on. Well, probably hard to tell from in here, but I got the majority of the cut and everything pushed to the side. So, and then I kind of bailed that over there because that side's probably, this front corner is like 24, 22 inches low. So, yeah, I really didn't get it. I put the laser up, which I'm glad because it would have got soaked. But that's as far as I got for today. We'll see how much longer this is going to go on. I'm kind of just waiting it out until it calms down for a minute so I can get out and chain this thing down. But yeah, good times. So nothing like a little July downpour. To be continued over here. It's take two on this one. So I got the loader here with me now. I'm going to try to... Oh, I got it. It's going to be, I think, right at 18 inches lower than the top of that footing. That's what this other one will be. So about what that area is right there. I just need to kind of cut that and then bring it over. So yeah, we'll see if we can't get this pad cut in here today. I think they want to try to dig a footing in here tomorrow. So we will jump in the loader and get this thing knocked out. And we got this pad kind of cut in or graded in or whatever. It's a little iffy back here, but I think I'm skimming the top of some concrete walls, and then I don't know if you can really tell, it's like a 4-inch steel pipe sticking out of the ground, and it did not move. So it won't be a big deal when it's in here. Like I said, they'll bring in 12 or 14 inches of base rock inside here, but it's cut, and I'm sure it's a few inches out in places. Like I said, it's still a little bit high there. You can kind of see the tops of this is part of an old wall, or I think it was like the back corner of the school, so hopefully this is the last lot we run into that, because the rest of it was just all their playground area and stuff here before. So this should be about the end of that, so maybe it get a little bit easier digging. But yeah, this material is just crap. It's just like 6-inch rock, so it's kind of hard to just, you know, bring it up a few inches at a time. But I think it's gonna work. I know, kind of like where hit concrete guy skid steer is, I think there's a porch that gets cut in around that. Then we'll have to start moving this pile. But I think this is just kind of the first phase, is these first 5 from what I know right now. They can dig their footing tomorrow, and we'll be on to the next one. All right, I am back over here. Turned out, I guess the contractor that I did this for is a skid steer machine broke down or something yesterday, so he's not able to get this backfilled, so they got it inspected. I believe yesterday, or maybe the day before, whenever I was over here last, the next day. But now we're gonna get this backfilled for him and somewhat kind of cleaned up and dressed up. When he gets his machine running, he'll finish up with the driveway and the yard. So I figured it'd be easier to bring this over with the grading bucket, since we're very limited on space. Backfill and kind of clean it up, and then I got to go up front and pad in the water line and try to clean some of that up, but there's even less room up there. And here's how this kind of came out. It's not great, it's pretty wavy, but they had some, like a bank or a berm here that was a little bit better dirt that they wanted to try to use on the top. So trying to sort out the stuff I put on top of that and get it back over to here and flip it over was a little challenging. But and I don't know exactly how high he was wanting to come up. He was talking about bringing the grade up quite a ways on that side, but at least for now the ditch is backfilled or no one will run off of it or fall in the alley or anything. And I was going to try to pull some of this stuff out. There's a big chunk of concrete where the porta pot's sitting on, and back there where they can take his skid when he gets it and just get that stuff loaded up. And then they'll have to probably cut this out. They're going to pour concrete, but yeah, at least it's not a hole. Like I said, it's a little rough, but shouldn't have let anybody falling in it. So let's head to the next one.